The original Kia Niro was notable for one main reason. It could be had as a hybrid, a plug-in hybrid, or a full electric vehicle. Aside from that, it didn't really stand out in a crowded segment. It was a decent and capable vehicle that offered a lot of choice, but it didn't really excel at any one thing. Now there's a new Niro that looks to fix that. It's still available in all 3 powertrain flavors, but it's bigger inside, has updated tech, more modern styling, and improved powertrains. Let's take a look at the 2023 Kia Niro. The first thing we notice on the outside is this slash running up the Niro's D-pillar. It reminds us of a certain German supercar and can even be painted in a contrasting color. But it's more than just a cool styling feature, it's functional as well. Kia calls it the Aero Blade since it has an opening on its leading edge where it would meet the rear of the door. Its purpose is to improve aerodynamics, help with the vehicle stability, and reduce wind noise. Inside, the car has a modern, clean-looking dashboard and a cool 2-spoke steering wheel. The front seats also feature a unique design but are comfortable and offer built-in USB-C ports for rear seat passengers. And while speaking about passenger comfort, the new Niro is 2.6 inches or 65 millimeters longer than before. A lot of that extra space finds its way into the rear seat compartment. 2 full-size adults can easily fit back here in full comfort, although 3 adults may still be a bit of a pinch. There's also more cargo space behind me, up a few cubic feet to 22.8 cubic feet or 646 liters. As this is just a preview, we aren't able to drive the Niro as of yet, so we can't test out any of the cool new technology like the updated Green Zone Drive mode. In short, this mode automatically turns the gas engine off on the hybrid or PHEV in particularly sensitive areas. Using navigation data and driving history, it knows where these areas are, like school zones, hospitals, and residential communities. So when you drive through one of those areas, the car will swap to electric power automatically if possible. Although it's not here, Kia claims the all-electric Niro EV can charge from 10% battery life back to 80% in just 45 minutes using level 3 charging. When fully charged, expect the EV to go up to 253 miles on a single charge and the plug-in to go about 33 miles before requiring the gasoline engine. The 2023 Kia Niro is set to show up at dealers in Canada and United States soon. Will the funkier styling, larger size, and longer range resonate well with consumers? Only time will tell, but we have a feeling there's a good chance it will.